Oh, never mind.
What the hell did he come from?
Up your butt.
He's a fast monkey. Bruh. Trying to flip tag him.
Okay. See how he's on the very edge of
I don't know where I'm about to hit.
What the flip, dude?
Purple, can you teach me how to wall run?
free
No,
bird.
stop asking me that.
Please, I'm a nerd.
Bro, I'm about to hit some.
GG's.
Me too. Me too.
Let's go.
I'm staring at that kid right here. Freaking scared of him. He's out there staring at me. Who's it?
Hit that guy.
This kid who's Then we get tagged by him so we can start the game. I can't listen. I actually work for Epic Games. Hey guys, he died. R.I.P. Rest in peace, bro. Watch out.
What's about to be on YouTube?
He's gonna wake up to a nightmare, everybody looking at it. He's a statue.
He should be trolling a statue, bro.
Hello.
Statue.
Oh, guys, it's too late. Guys, look it. I got his pee-pee.
Whoa, a lava monkey joined. A lava monkey joined. Are you a girl or something? Wait, what? Wait. What was that guy that I said? Did he see me take his piss or something? Then press it.
Nothing will get put on.
Then press it.
Oh, it ended.
Nothing will get put on.
Then press it. Press it.
This?
No, press this. That's just put on. You did not trust it. You went like this. Like that.
I pressed.
Press this. No. Do what my arm says.
Wait.
Press this one.
Wait.
Press this one.
I told you.
Bruh. Press the last button.
The last one?
No, this one.
This one?
No.
Want to hear the mini game, kids?
This one?
Yeah, you're not new.
Wait, which one?
Press the last one. This. Do this.
Rico, you don't have to jump to conclusions now.
Yep, you're not new.
It gives you shiny rocks. ASD.
No, it doesn't.
Are you just trying to
Great.
make me
Join code ASD.
I want to be alone right now.
Look. Gray, look. I got some food for you. Gray, I got some food for you.
Join ASD.
Hey,
Join
hey,
the
stop.
code ASD. Join code ASD. I'll give you cake.
Hey.
What?
Actually,
What?
Hey,
come
Gray.
here. Come here.
Gray, here's
White,
a
What?
White,
margarita.
come here.
Yeah.
Come here, White, come here.
Gray,
What?
here's a margarita. Gray.
Hey.
Have any of you guys completed comp?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, there you are.
There's the bug.
I have the big.
I've been looking for you.
Everybody, go to computer.
I've been looking for you, Doug the bug.
Sit on that
Here.
chair, everybody.
Let's play catch.
To computer and sit on the chair.
Oh.
Wait, what? Everybody,
It's so cute.
go to computer and sit on the chair.
Here.
Like,
Okay, look
Look.
how many people is here.
let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
There's a person. There's 5.
Stop. I'm sure you would get a girl or something.
I'm only 6. I told
Wait.
them.
Oh, there's a
Really?
Why did they hate me so bad? I did nothing.
Bro, no, who is 6? Who is 6? guys are 6?
Me. And they hated me.
I think you sound cute.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like, why do people bully 6-year-olds?
Yeah, like that's like messed
We're
up.
at Mueller. We're at Mueller. Wait, you're at the store? Yeah, we're at Mueller.
I'm just gonna put my stuff. New York, but
Yeah.
peekaboo.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, totally.
There's no way you just said New York.
Where is he?
What YouTuber?
That guy said, join
I changed, bro. I'm right here.
do a
He
YouTube
joined.
movie, and then all of a sudden, now, oh, no, he's there! He's there!
He's there! He's
No,
there!
not you.
It's a
Yellow.
YouTuber!
Not you.
Yes,
Yellow.
YouTuber.
In a different server
Wait, he's a YouTuber?
that told me to join this
What?
server. And he lied.
Wait, he has finger painter or something?
He's talking at the game. Look at him.
Let's go check if he has finger painter. Let's check if he has finger painter.
He doesn't. He has GT3.
Get back here, come on.
Guys, some YouTubers
Great,
don't
great,
have
great, 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 great.
YouTube finger painter. You realize that?
Hi.
All the roles that YouTubers have.
Only 6 and
People bully you for no reason.
I'll show you.
No,
if he
no.
doesn't have a finger painter,
He ain't a YouTuber. See these? See these? So, this is you, and this is your mom. Soon, you're gonna grow up,
Oh!
and then you're not gonna be able to live with your mother. And then soon you're gonna get so old.
give me a moment.
And this is my mother now. That's how I got my mother.
I'm joking.
I'm gonna try to get a stump. I'm gonna try to get a stump without getting tired.
Great, jump here. Great, jump here.
What's your right name? What's your right name? Right.
Wait, where's Gray? Is Gray here?
The other one is just
Gray.
Yeah, Gray's here. He's at leaderboard. Oh, all of this is brown. All of this is brown.
Wait, guys.
Now they hate me.
What do you mean they hate you?
Her legs were cut off.
Wait, guys, where's the YouTuber?
Her legs were cut off. Her arms were cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her body was cut off.
I don't hate you.
Her head was cut off.
Oh my gosh, bruh. Oh my gosh, bruh. Oh my gosh. No, why'd you say that?
I swear that's
I'm flying right now.
Bruh, no, why did he say that? He's my friend though.
Flying right now, if you know it.
Oh my gosh, he did say that, bruh. Oh my goodness, he actually said that.
no.
You are the worst friend I ever had.
I got some for you.
Yeah, I don't care too.
Where's that 6-year-old? Here's your cake.
Hey, you!
Yeah,
Alex.
yeah.
Do you want to go to a private code?
With Gray, yeah. Gray, 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 Gray.
Follow you.
Hey, follow me, follow me, follow us, follow us.
Go to the code TEP.
TEP.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm so slow.
Can you say, wait,
I'm so slow, guys. Help.
what letters? What letters?
Alright, White. Okay. Where's Gray? Oh,
Gray's right here.
Gray.
Let's go, buddy.
Faster.
Let's go, buddy.
This. You go a little bit faster.
Oh, I'm sorry,
to do a roleplay?
No one.
Who wants to do a roleplay? No.
Triple.
Oh, you're doing me fall to the lava again.
I'm the triple.
What did I do?
Wait, guys. Pause. Pause the game.
Why? You can't pause.
Can't pause
The game.
the time. Wait, White, come down here.
Okay.
I think he actually paused the game for real.
Hey, you. Blue.
Yes, you can pause the game at any point. I'm really bad, please. No, guys.
No, he fell.
What are we doing in this thing?
No, you fell.
Red, what are we doing? What are we doing in this?
Red is a YouTuber? Does Red have campaign? Does Red have campaign?
Like, what are we doing? Because I'm recording.
He's
I'm recording.
he's not a
I don't have
YouTuber.
a-
He's
Like, I don't have a channel, but I'm recording.
stop
Recording on my
recording.
Oculus.
Let's just go to the
I'm
code,
recording
White.
on my Oculus, but I don't have a YouTube channel.
Guys, help me.
Oh my gosh, he's still in the
Do you
lava.
guys want to go to a private server?
Yes, Ben was great.
To what?
Help me. Oh, there we go.
You?
I'm coming.
Let's go.
Hey, you
You
bitch.
can do this.
Okay, so the code is
Subscribe to me.
TEP.
Why?
PEP, the code.
Why?
TEP. TEP.
TEP, come on, great.
Section. Casual.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
I'll go.
Hey,
I'll go
Guys.
after you. Wait, TEP? Yeah, TEP.
So like this, look. Like bounce. Yes. Like this. Until I get on it. Like this. Look. Look at me, look at me, look at me.
I'll
Like this.
miss you, White.
Why? How? You're leaving?
Because it's almost nighttime for me.
Oh yeah, true. But luckily, like, I am gonna miss you too.
I'll
But like,
always forget. I'll never forget you, Alex.
me too. Okay. Hold up, I'll picture you just in case I forget you. Okay. Yeah, take a picture.
Hey, why
Wait,
not,
Stand still, stand still.
Hey guys. Wanna go to the store? Hey, follow me.
P T E T P. I don't know what's going. Yeah.
Let me get my badge.
Your badge?
I wanna get a badge for free.
Yeah, badge is over here. The
Wait.
badge is over here.
That one, and then that one. Okay, let me get, yeah. I don't know.
Hold up. I'm gonna be on my menu real quick. Okay. Why does my friend have to be so mean? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Sometimes friends are rude.
Hey, come here.
Hold up. Okay.
Wait, let me get my cake on.
Yeah.
Wait. Here.
Hold up. Alright. Alright.
Hey,
Yeah.
Alex.
Yeah.
Wanna, wait. Yes. Help me, guys. guess what, guys? I know a secret way in.
Oh my. No! 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 I was literally about to show my finger. Who's fat? 45. 455. Oh my gosh, I miss Gray. We're in the city. Gray! Wait, is that Gray? Yes. I suck at scaring people.
Alex! No. I was gonna join back.
Hey, I'm the best player in the game.
Alright, cool. Is it? I thought TTT Pig was the best player at the game.
Howdy, man.
Look. Hold on, let me just do something. Okay. I'm ready.
What?
If you start moving, my hand's gonna move.
I already missed him.
No, like if you get away, look, it scans you.
You know what I have to do?
It can't. It always track
I
you.
have to do something that you would
Oh
never.
my.
Are you seriously trying to?
It's not tracking me on auto.
Why did he leave?
You okay? Oh.
No.
Okay, you okay?
He thought white left, but I just changed, and then he thought I was a different person. Oops, I didn't mean to say that.
Do I have glasses on?
White was here.
Do I have glasses
Yeah,
on?
that's still me. I changed. That's why I changed.
Do I have glasses?
That's why I know you, little buddy.
Wait a minute.
I do have glasses.
What?
Yeah. Let me. Wait, call.
Hi.
I'm gonna go to the swamp. I'm going to the
Hi.
swamp.
Hi.
You wanna come?
Okay.
Let's go to the swamp.
Why did they leave?
Do you miss white? Do you miss white? Do you miss white?
Yeah, I miss White. I do. He was my only friend.
What do you mean?
So I just joined the server.
No,
and
Don't
No,
kill me.
I'm the same. I'm the same person. I
and
changed.
they wanted to
I'm-
report me for no reason.
I'm the same person. I changed. That's why. I'm the same person. No, for real. I'm actually the same person. I just changed.
Guys, I'm gonna be a Roomba. Hold on. Let me go in my changing room.
What the frick, man? Alright. I don't know what. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Bro, you don't know how.
I'm not doing it though. I do know. You get in there, go to your Oculus Monkey, go to your menu, turn off your headset, And then yeah.
Wait, I think I know how you did it.
Alright,
Wait,
I'm gonna click the
Can you
video.
show me how?
Okay, fine.